for his heliocentric model of the solar system, which placed the Sun, rather than Earth, at the center. This model revolutionized our understanding of the universe and laid the foundation for modern astronomy. Early life and education. Copernicus was born on February 19, 1473, in Torun, Poland. His father was a wealthy merchant, and his mother was from a prominent family. After his father's death, Copernicus was raised by his uncle, Lucas Watson-Rode, who was a bishop. Watson-Rode provided Copernicus with a good education, and he eventually studied at the University of Krakow, the University of Bologna, and the University of Padua. The heliocentric model. While studying at the University of Padua, Copernicus became interested in astronomy. He was dissatisfied with the prevailing geocentric model of the solar system, which placed Earth at the center. Copernicus believed that this model was too complex and inaccurate, and he began to develop his own heliocentric model. In his heliocentric model, Copernicus placed the Sun at the center of the solar system and Earth in orbit around the Sun. This model was much simpler and more elegant than the geocentric model, and it could explain the observed motions of the planets much more accurately. Publication and impact. Copernicus was hesitant to publish his heliocentric model, fearing criticism from the Church. However, he eventually published his work in a book titled De Revolution Ibus Orbium Coelestium, on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres, in 1543, just before his death. The publication of De Revolution Ibus had a profound impact on science and philosophy. It marked the beginning of the scientific revolution and challenged the prevailing view of the universe. Although Copernicus's model was initially met with opposition from the Church, it eventually gained acceptance and became the foundation for modern astronomy. Other accomplishments. In addition to his work on astronomy, Copernicus also made significant contributions to mathematics, canon law, medicine, and economics. He developed a new theory of planetary motion, formulated an early version of the quantity theory of money, and served as a canon and administrator in the Catholic Church. Legacy. Nicolaus Copernicus is considered one of the most important figures in the history of science. His heliocentric model revolutionized our understanding of the universe and laid the foundation for modern astronomy. He is also remembered as a polymath who made significant contributions to many different. In learning more about Nicolaus Copernicus, and I am happy to provide additional information. What specific aspects of his life or work would you like to delve deeper into? Here are some options. 1. His early life and education. Explore his family background and the influence of his uncle. Learn about his academic journey and the different universities he attended. Discuss the intellectual climate of the Renaissance and how it shaped his thinking. 2. The development of his heliocentric model. Go deeper into the specific observations and calculations that led Copernicus to challenge the geocentric model. Explain the key features of his heliocentric model and how it addressed the shortcomings of the prevailing theory. Discuss the potential sources of inspiration for his ideas, such as ancient Greek astronomers. 3. The publication of De Revolution Ibus Orbium Coelestium. Explore the controversy surrounding the book's publication and the initial reactions from the Church and scientific community. Discuss the arguments Copernicus used to defend his model and the impact they had on later astronomers. Analyze the significance of the book as a turning point in the history of science. 4. His contributions beyond astronomy. Learn about his work in fields like mathematics, law, medicine, and economics. Discuss his role as a canon and administrator in the Catholic Church. Explore how his diverse talents and interests contributed to his overall impact on the Renaissance. 5. His legacy and influence. Discuss the long-term impact of his heliocentric model on our understanding of the universe. Analyze the role of his work in the scientific revolution and the development of modern science.